There it is. Happy birthday. Happy motherfucking birthday. What it is?
The boombox.
Oh shit, we got our own boombox though, you feel me?
Oh, yeah.
Got the babies in here. That girl 28 now.
I'm 25.
Shut up. Real honest. So I'm about to sit behind you. That's wow.
We outside tonight.
No, we definitely outside, yo. Yeah, he love this. He can't stop running. Yes, sir. Y'all already know what's happening, man. Enemy here. This living for real. Scar. Here, Scar. Here. So it's December 13th. What time is it, babe? Approximately 4:36. Come on, Scar. Come on. Let's go. 4:36 p.m. and we just touched down. I'm about to whip something up for my baby. You feel me? Whip something up for myself. Look at this view, though. This shit is crazy stupid. That shit hard, man. I'm about to just come out here, smoke a little doobie. You feel me? Watch a movie. Yeah, man. Let me show y'all the paintings.
We gotta go back out here.
Look at the paintings, man.
Granny saying hey.
So I said, hey. Yeah, man. Little something I put together. You know, we're gonna be out here painting. Yeah, so let me get everything situated, man. I'm gonna bring y'all back out, see everything else, man. Everything is everything, man. I told y'all, hard-headed game. Dolly over here chilling, you feel me? Enjoying this view I have. Yeah, we ain't doing nothing. I'm about to cook up real quick, man. So what we cooking up tonight? Some hot dogs and burgers and s'mores. And you know, this, that, you feel me? So y'all stay tuned, man. It's about to be a whole vibe. We, you know, a little mini camp, little mini cabin, you feel me? Little mini trip, you know what I'm saying? She didn't want to do too much for her B-Day. You feel me? How you feel turning this age?
I don't know. Unless the other day.
It ain't hit her yet, you feel me? It's gonna hit her soon, you feel me? Yeah. You see the light? These lights hard. Like, have y'all ever seen these? Like, that's super crazy, yo. Like, yeah, man, we ain't doing nothing, man. Chilling until the sunset.
I'm ready to make some s'mores.
Yeah, sure. I can't wait for the s'mores. We just chilling. It's supposed to be a no phone event, you feel me?
That's a lie.
That's why they got the no phone lockbox over there. But I guess she wanna show the world real quick before we even go any further. No, I'm just playing. Y'all stay tuned. I appreciate you if y'all subscribe to the channel. Keep watching. More to come. I'm tired. We just drove. I just drove the whole way here. I just want a big back bamboo. You feel me? That's it. That's it, y'all, man. Keep watching. You feel me? Hey, yeah! These niggas really think they doing something here. They sleeping with us tonight?
This the first time, ain't it?
Yeah, we normally don't let they bitch ass sleep with us, man. Especially this mug. He like to be a guard off for real. Yeah, yeah, man. This motherfucker really can get down, man. You feel me? But it's alright, though. I don't think y'all know how dark it is out here. It's so damn dark out here, boy. Shit. Is there some eyes over there? I think I see some eyes glowing up around this motherfucker. Nigga, this light is lighting, nigga. Shit. You ain't got the key? I got it. Yeah, I just had to show y'all how dark it was out this motherfucker, man. You can't see a goddamn thing. Y'all already know what I'm about to do. About to get on these hot dogs, season these burgers. Yes, sir. He's stuck where? You need to bring him in. Ain't nobody got time for this all day. Trying to squeeze the meat and shit. Yes, sir. They get ready to put that meat on there. Nigga, it's so damn dark. What if something pop out on my ass? I need to put that one on the fire. Maybe say like no.
Bday on the grill with it.
On the pit, goddamn.
Oh, on the pit. Put them more in the middle, not on the edges, Bday.
I know, babe.
Bday on the grill. You said, do I smell it? Yeah.
Me gang, y'all already know what's going on. I just put these cheeses on there too. Hold on, let me show y'all what I'm working with, man. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. Like the hot dogs down there. Look, y'all gonna respect my chefing, man. You feel me? I'm out here getting down in the ooh-wee. Like, we about to smash real quick, man. Y'all already know, man. Ain't that right, man? Yeah. Rise and shine, hard-headed gang. You already know what time it is. It's just about that time. It was pitch black out there, man. Couldn't see a damn thing. I could have sworn I seen K, Bigfoot out there or some shit, man. Rise and shine. Happy birthday, babe.
Thanks, babe. My stomach hurt.
Time to go cook some breakfast, guys. China. Yeah, Todd. You happy, boy? Yeah, it's birthday time. Yes, sir. You already fucking know, man. I'm about to put on some socks. We about to go vibe outside type shit. And later on, we gonna be painting. We gonna walk the dogs. We gonna probably play some frisbee and shit. Just vibe out, man. Y'all gonna see, man. Just stay tuned, you coon. Buffoon. Happy birthday wishes. Oh, we all in the phone. Yeah, man. Vibe. I wanted to put the time lapse shit on here. Like put it outside, but I was so cold.
Do it when we painting out here?
Uh-huh.
Or in there?
Out here.
Everybody painting inside, but
It depends on how I feel out here.
I want to do it out here so they not getting on my nerves. But
Yeah.
if we have to do it in there,
I don't know. It don't even matter to me. But it depends on how I feel. It feel kind of like a little bit chilly. You feel me? It ain't too chilly because the sun hitting out now. Now it's a little warm, but it depends. Type shit, man. You just eating bread, yo? That is wild. We got the OJ, you feel me? On some relaxing
and it's real
type
good.
shit, man.
Even though ain't no pulp in it.
Yeah.
I like pulp.
Jesus, here. They want to come out here, but they gonna be all out in the field, and they recommend us to put a leash on them, but they're not gonna do well. That's why we're gonna walk them later on. down the trail and shit.
Yes, because they too excited right now.
Yeah, too excited.
After we get dressed and take pictures, I want to paint and then I want to take more pictures.
Yeah, that's the move. What about Frisbee?
Yeah, that's when we're going to do s'mores and stuff.
Oh, yeah. I forgot to tell y'all the s'mores, too. Throwing them down there, man. Get some fried s'mores. That's going to be fire.
We might paint later when it get a little darker. Only because...
We're going to be inside then.
Because I want to cook. Because, you know, we're going to cook breakfast and then later. When we cook our steaks and stuff, I don't want to cook it too late.
Right. Okay, it's a bet, man. You don't see how it play 11. Out. Yeah, we need to get to it because the sun set around 5. It's 11 o'clock now. We could at least have a steak and stuff on the grill by 4 or something. Let me go brush my teeth, man, wash my face, get flied in the motherfucker, because that's the case. If a nigga talk, I'm going to punch him in the face.
I was supposed to wake up to breakfast in bed. What happened?
I'm sorry. I was tired. Fed the dogs.
It was knocked
Had
out.
to use the bathroom. I was on the toilet for about an hour, you feel me? Getting everything that I had consumed.
I woke up before you. Tried to go back to sleep.
I tried to go back to sleep too, but your dog kept crying, so I had to handle business. Your dog.
You didn't handle business.
That's our dog, man. That's our dog. She like, boy, you don't even fuck. That's your dog. You feel me? Yeah, man. So yeah, y'all gonna see. Stay tuned. My hair looking crazy right now. But I mean, that's the Rastafarian life. You feel me? Wang wang. Let's do this, man. I ain't gonna lie. Hut 1, hut 2, hut 3. That's good. Y'all need that shit. I ain't gonna lie. To the right, to the right, to the right.
Come on.
This way, little fellers. I don't know why he trying to lead. He always following this one. This one gonna pull. You need to just restrain, huh?
Make it shorter.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, hey.
I'm on my Caesar Milan shit, man. Y'all should know.
Hey.
These are other cabins too out here.
Hey.
That boy ain't never been on the leash. He never been on the leash. This is a perfect example why we need to go walking every day from now on. Or we need some skates or something. Skates.
No, Scar. He trying to bite this shit.
You need to hold them. I'll hold him. So, birthday girl, how you feeling?
Refreshing.
Refreshing. Breath of fresh air. Little chill. Little chill vibe, man.
Cozy in my musha.
Cozy. We feeling a little cozy. On our vibe tip, you know, nothing too much. Walking the dogs. Then we about to get into some painting after this. So y'all stay tuned for that.
I'm taking a hot shower. Y'all stay tuned for that.
Yeah. What the? OF? OF action.
Yeah, let's make one.
Hell no. This man don't know how to walk on the leash for nothing. He just going back and forth. He just don't know how to stand in a straight line. So I think we need to do this more often, man. Make it a little norm for him.
Why we ain't drive to the nature park?
Nature path. Alright, I'm gonna let the leash loose now. Do your thing.
Wait, let me record this. Not y'all did that shit just come up.
Yeah, we should have took y'all to the Georgia shebang.
I'm glad we did all this missing now. Come on.
Well, let's do it. Damn, this is steep ass hill. China, bring your behind on.
China! Babe, don't let him rap. I couldn't walk up this 2 days ago.
Man, what? This motherfucker is steep.
I ain't got my eyes.
The slower, the fucking more you gonna feel there, ho.
That shit go up.
Shit go up. We both burned out. Good for the dog though. He always want to go through some shit. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next scene, gang. Yeah, man, y'all already know. We getting dressed and shit, man. Warming up the Bday. You feel me? Everybody's goddamn tired, so we just about to flick some pics up. You feel me? I'm trying to find my ponytail holder for real.
It's in my head.
I'm gonna need that. Hurry up.
I feel refreshed.
You look refreshed, man. You look the dirtiest. No, just playing. We both was tired and kind of filthy, so I had to take a quick, water down shower. About to head out, paint. You feel me? How you feeling so far, babe? Refreshed, like you said. All right, understanding. All right, my bad. Just checking up. Holla back. You already know what's about to go down.
What they know?
Whatever they see. At this point, goddamn, we about to get started finally.
Why you?
Anyway, I'm trying to get started. Oh, now you want to record?
Yeah, cause he said.
Man, give me this. She just got done taking some pictures. You feel me? They download. You feel me? How you feel about them? You make sure how you feel about everything.
I need to see him again.
Gotta spark up some type of conversation.
We don't talk a lot. We show.
Hell no. Yeah. Alright. Well, I'm gonna drink my wine because I'm feeling fine. And she gonna be down there 39. You know? Yeah, I see a little nat. I see a little nat. Yeah, so let's get started, babe. Let's do it. I could have been paying your shit.
Why?
Cause I'ma kill it. I'm sure you gonna kill it too.
How about you pay mine, I pay yours?
Nah, that's cool. Let's do each other. Let's do each other.
Why not?
What the? Oh, you got that shit, boy.
What does ass get?
She over there tired as a biatch. Trying to be tired, ain't she? She over there comfy. Baby, you ready, baby?
Yes. What's up here?
Okay, man, this over at home.
Yeah, I can do the floor. I'm trying to say my bones hurt.
Now, when you just lifted that can here, we about to get it in, man. This shit finna be hard as hell. I think I need to short his, like, cut his legs on, cause this look like his ass is way on his back. You feel me? You know, players mess up too. This is my first time, man. Don't judge me at all. You feel me?
Let me see.
Nope.
So I can show them what you fucked up on mine. What you mean, no? Y'all, he did real good for his first time, even though only got a piece of a bow. No foot. Oh, he ain't got no foot in.
Good.
We'll get bigger canvas next time. We're gonna blame it on that.
Thank you. Blame it on that.
I got you. Could make it small.
I'm sorry. This shit is so weird, man.
She said so weird.
Nah, I ain't worried. I'm just trying to get the paint right. When I look at you now, you make me prouder. Always fuck with me now, you say it louder. Tell you break a bitch, you gon' make her count it. You just do the shit.
Babe, I won a bookmark contest at my school. So I won second place for a bookmark contest. We had to draw and make our own. So yeah. You got some competition.
So
He got some
competition.
A little bit. I'm very competitive with you.
Bring me a piece off of that knife.
Okay. I done fucked up. Get this thing.
Yeah.
Look at me. I done fucked
Now
up.
you fucking up and you won the competition. You can't fuck with me, man. I'm already killing it.
I fix shit though.
Yeah. Y'all know how I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna put a little background, I think.
You trying to show out.
Not a background, but just like paint it one color.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it too. What color?
I don't know.
I think it should be black so the picture can pop.
But their body already black, that's crazy.
So the color's gonna pop itself with the black box. No?
If you put the background black, their body black, you know that, right? So they ain't gonna have no top.
You trying to get that on camera?
Uh-huh. Slow post. For you to be the petty. Dolly had to put hers on her lap, y'all. She acting like she coloring with a crayon. Yeah, son got stupid braid. I'm almost done, y'all. Just bear with me. Yeah, man, y'all already know how I do. Dolly.
2 hours later.
2 hours later.
Let me take a sip first.
So we both decided to go.
You didn't do my.
We both decided to go. Hold on. Y'all already know I had to go crazy. She kind of went crazy on hers too.
No, what the fuck going on?
I went crazy. She ain't see mine yet, y'all.
They do mine with the black on the Can you do mine?
You can't, cause you already did the background.
It's not fair. You just trying to win.
Killed your ass.
Hit my white lines, at least on my gloves.
I just killed your ass on the whole set, nigga.
You did good.
Damn.
Mine's neater, but your black lines made it pop.
Mm-hmm. killed your ass on the whole set. Man, y'all think y'all wrecked, man. Who y'all think wrecked on that motherfucker, man?
Me.
You did not fucking wreck. Stop saying that.
I did. Who wrecked then? Because it wasn't you.
2 hours later, man. I put an outline on hers. We're gonna talk about it. Hers looking kind of naked.
Don't tell them what you did for me.
I gotta say the fucking shit. You feel me? And let me go outside so I can get ready and put the other stuff on the grill ski, man. Yeah. Food on there. You feel me? Out here vibing, watching the campfire, man. It's darker than a bitch. But I got that thing on me, man. This shit really get left, you feel me?
Too hot.
You feel me? We just start chilling. Man, yeah, let us know what y'all want to see next. Comment down below. The whole 9. This the end of the vlog right here.
You ain't gonna let them see our food when it's done? Oh yeah, this definitely still the end.
Yeah, this the end, but y'all can definitely see the food. You feel me? So, but yeah, this the end of the vlog down there. So make sure y'all comment, like. If you haven't already subscribed to the Hard Headed Gang channel, click that thumb bell to be the first for real. Subscribe to my channel, Enemy 1. You feel me? Cause there's only one me.